See, I hired the whole bus to travel London to Canary Wharf. No one is in the bus, it's full. Bus is empty, you can see. Look, I can sit anywhere. Yeah, just hired the whole bus. Look, that's saying please observe social distance and leave this car seat here. Hired the whole bus just for you guys. It's going towards Canary Wharf. This is beautiful London. That's a 1 minute video.